Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start exercise 14.2 and this we are solving the first two part of question number first. Again you have to factorize the following expressions. Now in this question you have to use a certain identity. Now we have two identities which says a plus b whole square is basically equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a minus b whole square is basically equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and we have to use these two identities to factorize these two parts. Now this is a positive, so obviously we will use first formula, and here it is negative, so we will use second formula, and this expression is in this form and we have to convert this into this because these two are equal. So instead of this, if we can write this, so that is how we can factorize this. So now convert this into this format. So this is a square, 16 can be written as 4 square, which is b square, and this is plus twice r a is a and r b is 4. So this will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now let's see if this is equals to 8a or not. So obviously this is 4 2s are 8 and a. So this whole expression I have converted this into this, and one thing is important, when you are converting, the whole expression value should not be changed. This value and this value should remain same. Now this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and if this is equals to a plus b whole square, so obviously instead of this we can write this, and this whole square is nothing but a plus 4 multiplied with a plus 4. So these are the factors for this expression, and this is how we can solve. Now let's solve the second part. This can be written as p square, which is our a square. 25 can be written as 5 square, which is our b square, and this would be minus 2a and b. So now see if this expression is equal to this or not. So clearly 5 2s are 10 and minus 10p are same values. So I have converted this expression into this expression, and this is equals to this, and we know that by formula that a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to a minus b square. So this should be equals to a minus b square. Here our a is bp and our b is 5. So that should be equals to p minus 5 whole square, and this can be written as p minus 5 multiplied with p minus 5. So this should be the answer for these two parts. Thank you.